Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I'll be making shrimp pad thai. Pad thai is a stir-fried rice noodle dish, typically made with chicken, shrimp, beef, or tofu. Today I'll be using shrimp. First, we need to soak the rice noodle. You can choose either medium or large rice noodles. In this recipe, I will be using the large rice noodle. Soak the rice noodle in warm water for half an hour. These are the ingredients, and the measurements are listed in the description box below. Usually, the pad thai sauce is made with tamarind, which is a sweet and sour fruit. You can usually find the tamarind paste in some Asian markets. But if you don't have access to tamarind, don't worry. You can substitute with a combination of rice vinegar and brown sugar. The fish sauce is salty and savory, and sriracha adds the spicy heat. Turn on the stove to medium to high heat. Wait for the pan to become hot, and add oil. Pan fry the tofu for 2 minutes, or until golden brown. Flip the tofu to pan fry the other side. Add shrimp and pan fry each side for 45 seconds to 1 minute. Make some space for the noodle. Add a little bit oil and the rice noodles. Stir fry for 45 seconds. During this time, you can feel that the rice noodle is getting cooked as it becomes softer and drier. Then add the sauce. Mix all the ingredients together and let it soak up all the delicious pad thai sauce. After about a minute and 45 seconds, the sauce is mostly absorbed. Make some space for the scrambled eggs. Add a little bit oil and crack 1 egg into that open area. Let it fry up for 10 seconds before scrambling. Then mix everything together and add bean sprouts and green onions. Cook for 1 minute. Here I used half of the bean sprouts and left some for plating. The bean sprouts will release the water steam, which can hydrate the noodle. The pad thai noodle should be moist. If you overcook the noodle, feel free to sprinkle some water to rehydrate the noodle. Then the dish is done. Add a lime wedge, some chili powder, and crushed peanuts on the side. Starving! I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!